Go. Ready. Go. Wrap up. Good job. Ready. Go. Okay, Big Money. Wrap up. Ready. Go. Okay, Elijah. Ready. Go. Okay, man. Ready. Go. Come on, Joel. Go. We'll get it. Ready. Go. Okay. Ready.
First down, game.
Go. Good job. Okay, who's that? Ryan? Ready. Go. Okay. Ready. Go. Okay, Big Cheese. Ready. Go. Okay. Wrap up, Deontay. Deontay, go again. That was horrible.
Come lower.
Wrap up. Ready. Go. Here we go, boys. Yeah, hey, listen. David been talking so much. He been talking, running his mouth all week. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
We ready to pop all gas.
All right.
All gas.
All right.
And I mean it. And I mean it. And I mean it. All gas.
All right.
Give me 3 claps. 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Go. Little boys, feel it. Dominate on me, dominate on 3.
1, 2, 3, dominate!
Hey, who's gonna big some?
Hold on, it ain't over yet.
Oh, yeah. Danny, what you
It's all 6th grade. That's me, 2nd grade. These 2.
I'm really in the 6th grade.
Yeah, right.
I'm really dead serious.
You're not dead serious.
I'm supposed to be in the 6th grade.
Here's the clothes. Oh, they cry every They don't block for me. Bro, why you keep trying to do that, bro? Bro, just don't play.
Let's put it on and never look back, huh? Sound like a plan to me.
That's really hard, wasn't it? That'd be too dangerous to get Florida on the damn. Our teeth just sat down.
Yeah.
Timeout, Cowboys.
I was.
Huh? Is it on? Yeah, it's on. And for what? That's what it's for? That's what it's about?
And the defending champions, Panthers. Your next game will be between the varsity undefeated Panthers and the 49ers. The Panthers and the 49ers. The Panthers will be the home team.
Ugly team. Right. How about the cooking mat? How about the cooking mat?
What's up, my guy?
We don't take losses. We did it.
The 49ers are the visitors today. Okay, guys, you're close to your playoffs here, obviously, and your game next week, so good luck to both teams, all right? Sportsmanship should be practiced on and off the field, all right, guys? Your captains to take care of it. All right, number 3 is going to do the coin toss. There's the tail, there's the head. What's your call today? Call tails. I'm going to let it drop, guys. It is tails. You have won the toss. You have your choice of offense, defense, or defer your option. You deferred. Okay, he's deferring his options. Go ahead and suggest you take the ball. Good? Okay. We'll just stay about right where we are, guys. There is not much wind at all. So the 49ers have won the toss. They've deferred their option for the second half. Panthers will start down here on the 35. Any questions? Okay, shake hands. Good luck and have fun today, guys. Now ball.
You can't take me, so I will be a Panther for life.
man.
Johnson's your ball carrier.
Let's go. Get the huddle. Let's go. Run that huddle. Let's go. Got a block.
Official timeout, no knee pads.
Sixth grade sign-up sheets are now available at the front gate. Again, sign-up sheets for women's basketball, fourth grade, sixth grade boys and girls. Sign-up sheets are available.
Everybody too. You got to worry about too? We need your one. Training son. Get Kale, get Kale. Get. Come on, hurry up. Gotta hurry this up.
First down, Panther.
Go. No! That's how you be running in flag football, no? Get down!
Play. Covered by the 49ers. Landis with the recovery.
Watch the ball. Come up.
Curry is your ball carrier. Johnson on the stop. Play. Recovered by the Panthers.
Good work, fellas.
Johnson's your ball carrier. First down, Panther.
Get in the huddle! You got a block, Ron, got a block! Let's go, rush the ball, let's go! Quit walking! Go! Block. There you go, Jamil. There you go, Jamil. Go. There you go, Jamil. There you go. We'll take it.
Johnson's the ball
We'll
carrier.
take it. Eat him up. Let's go. Keep blocking, Lon. There you go. Now you're blocking. Trey, let's go, Trey. Let's go. Deontay, give him a spot. Hit it, Kai. There you go. Keep running, Kai. Keep running, Kai. Good run, Kai.
Lyle's the ball carrier.
Good run, Kai. Good run, Kai.
First down, Panther.
Good run, baby. Good run, Kai. Hey, Kai, you good. Come on, you good. Good run, Kai. Hey, next time.
I know y'all seen that.
Run, okay? Run him. Oh. Give me that. You don't want that. Give me that. Get that here. Put your mouthpiece in.
Watch around this side. Watch around this side. Hit the gap. Let's go get him. Get him.
Johnson's your ball carrier. Touchdown, Panthers. Standing against the front rail. Please move up into the stand.
That's right. Let's go. We need that. We need everything right now. Let's go. Hold your pass. Hold your pass, but we need it. Run to the ball, let's go! Let's go!
Come on, Niners! Right there to the middle!
There you go, there you go!
Try for one is good.
All right, come here,
Lyle's the ball carrier.
Water. Hey, let's get another stop. Let's get another stop, get the ball back, okay? Hey. Before you get it, bro, you can't have no break.
What's on that?
Man, that ain't no break, McCoy. That's not no break. Come on. They're not going to fall out. Okay. If they fall out, they in. They're not coming out, bro.
I used to do this. They're not coming out, bro. It's not coming out. You just have played without
Yeah,
legs.
let's go. Let's go, defense. Let's go.
Hey, trying to
Get a stop.
bro. Come on, bro. That's how you feel.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all blocking for him!
Let's go, Rico. Yeah! There you go.
Lyle's the ball carrier.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
McNeil on the stop.
Reload. Come on, Elijah, Trey. Go. Trey, Elijah. Whip. Stay low, Trey. Junior and Jerron. Come out, wait for the toe.
Kai, get up, Kai. Oh, right there. No, get back.
No, don't blitz right there.
Right there.
Watch that, you gotta watch the hand.
Watch the dog.
Watch the pass. Jet. Hold it. Deontay, what are you doing?
Watch that song.
Hey, if they run their motion, they coming that way. It's simple.
Jamil, you get that? Jamil, you get that? Kai, wherever they motion, they going that way, bro. Hey, Deontay, go switch him.
Off the field, Duck.
Go. Get money. Hey, what? Hey, Jamil, go out. Kai, scoot over. No, other side. In the middle.
That ain't going nowhere.
Johnson on the stop. We'll go 4th and long.
Where the ball? Where our ball? Get the ball, Caleb. They know what's best for them. Let's go again right here. Deflate him, okay? Block. You have to block, okay? That understood. All right. Pip, go out. Noah, come here. Hurry up. Hey, we're going. Good job, hey, line him up where he lies. Make a wall. Make a wall for him. Let's go. Go. Go, Jamil, run, Jamil! Go!
Johnson's the ball carrier. Touchdown, Panthers.
Let's go! Elijah, right there, Elijah. Block, line, block. Right, he wide open. Oh, Jamil.
4 for 2 is no good.
It's all right. And you ain't set your feet. Wide open. Yeah, he's wide open. It's all right, Kyle. We got the next round. Water. Hey, if they move legit, they coming your way, ends and outside linebackers. Come on, Elijah, y'all ain't charging. Let's go get back there. That's where they going. Get in the gas. Tell Trey to Elijah.
Practice the ball carrier.
Over the other way. Keep going. Got him. Oh, come on, Dwayne.
That's quarter.
Good work, Drew, Bob.
Hey, water. Bring him here.
That's it in the first quarter.
Water. Hey, look, if they low the street. But they gotta go. Yeah, you gotta come up before they kind of. fast. You know that.
Oh, like I think.
That's why we tell you. That's an easy pick because you can just read it. As soon as he look and turn this way, you know they throwing that motherfucker.
I'm also, it's gonna be hard for them to come over here and try to play. They go this way. They going that way.
Right. Find the ball. Reload. Let's go. Reload. Hurry up.
Yeah, I'm giving you wrong though. They going that whatever way they go first, they going that way. And that's reverse. So, you know what I'm saying?
Watch the jet too. Go ahead, Kyle. Go, Kyle. Kai, get ready, Kai. Slide back in, Kai. Back in, right there. Hey. Jamil. Never mind. No, Kai. Okay. Go!
Slide out with the run! Slide out!
To raise the ball carrier. Brings up 4th and 1.
Saw the finger boys out already. Hey, Pun, let's go. Up.
So it was good call, Rob.
Let's go! Wide open!
Let's go!
I gotta learn how to just run, man. Stop trying to do all that other stuff. No, you gotta learn how to just run, bro. Just run. Okay. Good block, guy. Run, Jamil. Run, Millie. Go, Millie. Get this block, Kai. Get that block. No, don't touch him.
Johnson's the ball. Touchdown, Panthers.
He's not running. Yeah, for sure. You know what I'm saying? He wants to throw that. I don't want to take.
Good block, guy. Run, Jamil. Run, Millie. Go, Millie. Get this block, Kai. Get that block. No, don't touch him.
Johnson's the ball. Touchdown, Panthers. Trying for 2 is no good.
It's all right. Good, come on. Water. Hurry up! Let's get water. Come on, Carl. Huh? It's all right.
Thank you, sir.
How we gonna get you? Come on.
Deontay said he need to breathe, but he's gonna stick in for him on knee.
Yeah.
Hey, Kyle, he said it was his mistake. He tried to cook it for Going in for who got wide side and went out. Over! Yeah! There you go! Nice June ball! We see you, June ball! Good job, June ball! How you playing, June ball? I'm going to put you.
Going on the stop.
Hey, we know! Ball! Running! Run out! On the ball, reload, on the ball, let's go. Hey, Elijah, are you selecting? Are you taking a break? A little closer to the sideline. Just try to stay right inside the number. Oh, my bad. I'll fall. Hey, fellas, you got to stay on the numbers. You get caught to the numbers, okay?
On timeout?
Yeah.
What, he had a timeout again?
Yeah. But they're tapping out.
Oh, so Rocky's going to be tapping out. Rocky said, told David this.
Oh, I know you waiting for me. Look at you all. No, hold it up. Right, no more. There you go, Eli. That's money, Eli. That's money, Eli.
Close ball kick. Sacked on the play by Andrews.
Okay, Eli. I see you, Eli. I see you, Eli. Yes, sir. Mike Tyson got his license back. Yes, sir. I said, now Mike Tyson got his nails back. They tapping out. Tapping out. They tapping out. Tap. You hear me? Huh?
Panthers take over. First and 10.
Hey, Rob, come back, Rob.
No, go away from Junior.
Good work, Junior. But hey, you got the line back in.
You got something. 30 in there. That way that pocket too. Let's go. Got a block. Let's go.
Peanut, come on.
This is the ball carrier.
No!
Ball on the stump.
That was the man! Let's go!
Noah! 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 Come on, Noah! Come on, Noah!
That's okay, let's go! Hurry up, let's go.
Come on, time ticket, let's go! Run it! Run to the line! Quit walking! Run it! Come on, Jamil, let's go! Run, Rico! Run, Rico!
He nails the ball carrier. Two up on the stump.
Hey, y'all gotta run to the line! Quit walking around! Run it, run it!
Johnson's the ball carrier. Rockets on the stump. Comes up 4th and short.
Let's block! You gotta block! You need a first down!
Who back? Who back?
Go!
Who back?
First down! First down! Come on, he at the line, bro!
The 49ers take over on down.
He's 13. Okay, let's go.
Just to remind you, Spring Stadium.
That's what Messiah did. Hey, y'all got to block them dimes, bro. Y'all not blocking. You got to block every time. I told y'all down here we have to block every time. If you block, what? If you block, you what? Simple. You got to block every play. You can't take no plays off. Nobody. If you're not running, you block. Simple as that. All gas.
No, hey.
Simple as that.
Hey, get this stop. We got 51 seconds to halftime.
Stop.
Hey, Billy, watch out for the pass.
Yeah, watch the pass.
Watch out for the pass.
Hey, the Lima fan, run to the ball at the huddle, bro. That's poor energy.
Yo, get that one.
Go back, regular.
Pass ball is incomplete.
That's it, too, boy. Hey, Carl. Hey, you okay? Let's go, team! That's it, team!
And this ball here. First down, 49er.
Hey! Hey! Neil! I'm gonna watch that. Come on, bro.
Come on, Niners!
That's it, team! Team, good work, baby!
Timeout, 49er.
That's it, team! Hey!
This was your goal.
We gotta stay ready. We gotta stay ready. Tim! Listen, you gotta watch that. That's fake. Come on, that's coming straight to you. Okay, you right there. Come on, bro. You gotta read that. Read and react, bro. It's all good. Listen, message, 13 seconds. Message, 13 seconds. You gotta stop them. No scoring, okay? Get that understood. Watch the pass. Stay locked in. Bring it in real quick. Gang on me, gang on 3. 1, 2, 3, gang. Let's get this stop, y'all.
Niners, make sure you're blocking!
And this ball carry. Flag on the play.
We can't play against you! Jay Money was like this. I was like, all right. Jay Money was like this. He said, Jay Money was like this. He said, give me that. Jay Money was like
Pip and Jamil.
If y'all trying to get some free chicken from Green City, I'll pay for it. They're gonna pay for it. The rest got it. They got paid off today.
There you go, there you go, there you go. Yeah!
That's the end of the first half.